This one right here. I'm not gonna fuck this up. Watch me. Hey you guys, I am back. For those of you, those very few of you who have graciously reached out to me and said, are you okay? We haven't seen you. Yes, I am absolutely fine. I have just been bored with the beauty community lately. Not with you personally, just with makeup and the releases, and trend mood is just a snooze fest. But I did find this. It's a subscription box, and if you know me at all, you know that I don't really like them, although I have had them in the past. But at best, they were just kind of meh, kind of like, well, I might pick this up and rub it on my hand if I saw it in the store. And so now I'm paying $10, $20, $30, $40 a month to rub some shit on my hand and go, nah, no, that's not me. At worst, it's extremely disappointing, if not downright offensive, when I get a product and I'm thinking to myself, who would use this? Who would wear this? Who would want this? YouTubers, little YouTubers like me, who are just trying to get some lazy content. And the big subscription box brands know that, and they take advantage of the little people like me. So shame on you. But kudos to Lush, because they have a new subscription box called Lush Kitchen. Do you like Lush? If you don't like Lush, why are you here? Because this is all about Lush. If you do like Lush, keep watching, because this is gonna be great. I'm gonna cover up my address because I know that some of you pervs out there wanna stalk me, because I'm so stalkable, right? You just wanna show up on my doorstep in the middle of the night in your trench coat and show me your junk, right? I know you. I know you. Fresh from the kitchen, it's very exciting, indeed it is. And before I rip into this and completely surprise myself, because I have not peeked at any of these goodies at all, let me explain to you a little bit about how Lush Kitchen works. So it's 35 British pounds per month, and you also pay for shipping. So if you are in the US, that shakes out to around $50 a month. Is that a lot? It depends. It depends on how many other subscriptions you have. It depends on how much you love Lush. I love Lush quite a bit, especially when it comes to discontinued products. So for me, it's totally worth it. For you, it might not be. Anyway, so about a month before this little baby comes to your doorstep, you get to vote. They will put forth between like 9 and 11 discontinued or retired products. And you basically treat it like Tinder. Only instead of grody men, it's beautiful bath products, which is way better in my book. So you either swipe right or swipe left. I don't remember which one is good and which one is bad, but you swipe yes or no on the products. And so say you get an old favorite that you've been yearning for, then you swipe yes. Say you see something that you tried in the past, it smelled like ass, it was disgusting, you didn't like it, you swipe no. And so they tally the votes, and then whichever gets the most votes is what they put in the box. And I've honestly only had one turd of a product ever. It was, I think it was Dream Cream or something. It was something that I had tried in the past, and it smells just like mildew, which is not a favorite scent of mine. Everything else has been delightful. So let's get into this box. This is the November box. The Halloween one was really fun. I just didn't get around to filming. And the first product that I'm pulling out is Glug. I looked up how to pronounce this. At first I was pronouncing it glog, like an American, and then I thought, well, there's an umlaut, so maybe it's glug, but I think it's just glug. Anyway, this smells like mulled wine. It is sweet and spicy, which is my signature scent. In fact, it smells almost exactly like my signature perfume, which is Rentless. And of course, this is by Lush as well. In fact, you know, during my little break from YouTube, I was thinking, why is it that I get very little attention on YouTube? No hard feelings, I promise you. The little attention that I do get means the world to me, absolutely. But when I go out in public, people like come up and talk to me, and people come up and compliment me. It's very strange. It's very much the antithesis of what happens to me online, and all I can figure is that it's because people in the real world can smell me, and I smell fucking amazing. thanks to this. So Glug smells a lot like Rentless, if that is one of your favorites. So this is wonderful. I love it. It is an all-time favorite. I have missed it, and I can literally bathe in it, which I will do very soon. So let's see what else we have. I'm actually not sure what this is, so I'm gonna have to consult my cheat sheet. This is Winter. I was expecting it to smell like the Bath and Body Works candle. It's not far off. It's kind of boring, actually. It's very, I don't have much to say about it. It smells fine. I will use it. That's the nice thing about bath bombs. Even if they don't blow you away and if they're not the best thing ever, you can still have a nice bath, even if it's not the best scent in the world. I see a very beautiful blue bubble bar. This is Outback Mate. And I have smelled this soap, but I did not know that there was ever a bubble bar. So I definitely smell eucalyptus. This is an Australian themed product. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and inhale all of this stuff for the duration of this video. So I hope you enjoy watching women sniff stuff. There's gotta be some fucker out there who has a fetish for that and is jacking off right now. Okay. All right, enough of that. Back to clean content. I have a hand cream called Happy Blooming. I don't remember this one. This must have been before my time, and I've been a Lushie for a long time, longer than I would like to admit. So blooming sounds a little floral. Oh, I can already smell the flowers. I'm not the biggest fan of the floral scents. Not that I hate them, but I don't love them either. Whoa, whoo! That is strong. Okay, so, yee. I sounded like I was really hating it when I went, eee, but no, it's not bad. Ooh, it's just strong. It smells like flowers and honey, which is nice. Maybe a little bit of almond in there. I'm just guessing. There's no description on the cheat sheet, so I'm just pulling this out of my ass. Yeah, I smell honey, almond, and a bouquet. So it smells good, but it's not really a laney scent. And as my mother would say, it's loud. She always taught me that it isn't ladylike to wear perfume that is too loud. In other words, so strong that you can smell it clear across the room. I promise you, you can probably smell this on my front porch, and I'm upstairs right now. It's strong, but not unpleasant. So there you go. And I am going to clean my hands a bit, not because the scent of Happy Blooming is terrible, not that it's great either, but it's just a lot. It's a very strong scent, and it's all I can smell right now. So I will actually comment on this and say something maybe possibly useful. A little bit of this goes so far. If I were to use enough of this hand lotion to actually moisturize my hands, you would be able to smell me across the sea. So that's kind of a con, but if you just use a dollop and you like sweet floral scents, this is probably your product. Not so much for me, although I'll use it here and there. Like I said, it's not bad, it's just not me. Now, this product, the Jilted Elf, I don't remember exactly what it smells like, but I remember liking it a lot. And this is one of their shower jellies. If you are not familiar with the concept of a shower jelly, they are very fun. They're kind of like a Jell-O shot, and they're wibbly wobbly, and ooh, this smells good. I'm getting memories. Before I start talking about my memories, let me tell you that some people like to put these in the freezer. I have never personally seen the point. If you are a person who puts shower jelly in the freezer, explain to me why. What do you get out of that? I mean, it can't stay very cold in a warm bath. I don't understand. I just squish it up and put it in a shower poof and enjoy the scent. This is bringing back memories. And before I tell you about the memories, look at that sparkle. Can you see that? Oh, it's so cool. This scent is me, huddled in my bathtub, hiding from my angry bearded Neanderthal of a boyfriend who's mad at me because I'm listening to Panic at the Disco and I shouldn't be listening to that crap, or some other shit, or maybe I said hi to a cute guy and he got jealous, some bullshit like that. And I am in the bathtub just smelling wonderful because maybe I'll see another cute guy in the future, not the boyfriend, because anyway, it's like the Proust effect. I'm having this deeply emotional memory just because of this smell. And the reason that the Proust effect happens is because your olfactory bulb is very connected as far as the white matter tracts in your brain. It is very strongly connected to your amygdala, which is, contrary to popular belief, not really the emotional center. It is largely responsible for fear and aggression, but it does play a key role in emotions. And it is also really strongly connected to the hippocampus, which is a limbic system structure that is responsible for the formation of memory. So you've got your olfactory bulb and your amygdala and your hippocampus all kind of creating this trifecta of vivid memory. Was that boring? I apologize. I used to be a cognitive psych professor and that just came out, but I'm gonna get back to talking about bath products. And I didn't even tell you what this smells like. I don't know. It smells like comfort in my bathtub. It smells like my oasis from my terrible relationship. It's fruity. It's again, not quite as spicy as Glug, but fruity, spicy. It reminds me a little bit of apple pie. That's what it reminds me of. Okay, I have prattled on quite enough. Thank you so much for your patience, you beautiful, beautiful people. And that wraps it up for today. This has been Lush Kitchen November 2020. The link is in the description box if you have questions, which you may, because I'm sure that I forgot some very important detail. Just pop your question in the comment section. I love comments. They mean the world to me. I'm a very small YouTuber, so every time somebody comments, even if it's just to say, "Hi, Lainey," I will say hi back, and that will make my day. So thank you, as always, for watching. Very special shout out to you if you were watching this video on the toilet. Until next time, enjoy your joy responsibly, and I will see you very soon, where I will be talking about ColourPop. Bye!